Hello friends, how you are doing? I hope you people are doing good. So today we are going to make an awesome game in Scratch. It is Tic Tac Toe game. And before begin the session, can you please do one help for me? This is a brand new channel by Ria. So can you please hit on the subscribe button and help me to reach the first 100 subscribers? And also please show me your love by hitting the like button too. Okay, so let's start the session. I already added all the sprites, okay, to save the time. So what I did is that I am attaching the same scratch link of okay, I am attaching the same scratch project link in my description box. So what you have to do is that you can just click on that link and you can just remix the project. I added the link without any code. Okay, so while watching the video you can code and practice the same thing. All right. So, as I told you, this is a tic-tac-toe game and this is a two-player game. Each player plays one by one. And if you want to, if you place, take the mouse pointer, we need to place to the place you want to put X or O. And if you click on that button, if you click on X, the X will come. If you click on O, the O will come. Then in the same row, okay, in any row, if X is more, then X will win. If O is more, then O will win. That is the game. And we want to add condition to check the winner and show the winner on the screen. If X is the winner, we want to show that X wins this this sprite, and if O wins, we want to show this one. Okay. All right. So we are going to make use of relational operators here in the game. A and operator, or operator. Then we also have not operator. What are relational operators in Scratch? You have and operator, or operator, and not operator. What is and operator? When two condition becomes true. Okay. Here we have one. Here you can put one condition, and here as well we can put one condition, right? If both the condition will become true, then we need to go with AND operator. If either one of the condition is need to be true in the OR operator, and not operator is just like opposite. If it is true, then it will return false. If it is false, then it will return true. Okay. All right. So today we will make use of these blocks too. So let's start the session without wasting time. Let's start with this play button. Okay. So initially now it is hidden. When green flag is click, I want to show that. So I'm showing it here. Let me see. So this is the play button and initially I need this background. The cover page. So I'm switching the backdrop, not the costume. I'm switching the backdrop to Tic Tac Toe backdrop. Okay. So this is the Tic Tac Toe backdrop. Then and when I click on this play button, so which block? When the sprite is clicked, I need to hide that sprite. So I'm putting hide block. Then I want to switch the backdrop to tic-tac-toe board backdrop. Okay. The play while playing, I need the board backdrop, this one. Then I want to broadcast a message called the start. So I'm broadcasting a message called the start. Okay. Now we are done with the play button. So let's see. When green flag clicking on the play button, this background is coming. Okay. Now let's start with the sprite itself. We can code for the X win and O win later. Let's start with this one. This one means the X or O costume. Okay. See, you can see different three different costume for this sprite. If you click on it and if I click on O, this sprite will be, this costume will be shown. And if I click on X, this in my keyboard. Okay. If initially this one. And when I click on O in my keyboard, this costume will be shown, and when I click on X, this costume will be shown. Alright, so let's start to code. Initially, I need to hide it because in the cover page, I don't want to see this sprite. That's why I'm hiding it. Okay, so initially it is hidden, and when it will show. Yeah, very good. It will show when I receive that start message. So when I receive here, I broadcasted one message, right? Start message. So this will be visible when I receive start message. I want to set the position of the sprite. We are setting position by using go to XY block. Go to XY block is just like the address. Okay. Then I need to show that. So just put a show block. Next what? I need to initially I need which costume? The plain costume. This one. Costume 1. So I am putting that one. Switch costume to not cross, not 0. I need costume 1. Then, uh, so I want to put a condition. I want to repeat with the condition. So I am using repeat until block. So this repeat until block is a conditional statement as well as it is a loop, isn't it? It will repeat the things and it will repeat by obeying a condition. So what is the condition I want to use is that I want to take a OR operator. Here I am taking OR operator and I want to put two condition. Okay, if the costume name equal to 0 or if the costume name equal to cross. So I just used equal to operator. Okay, so going to loop block, I want to put costume name. If the costume name equal to, okay, costume name means this one. If the costume name equal to 0 or, so I'm copying, if the costume name equal to 0 and or if the costume name equal to cross, I'm copying that one. If the costume name equal to cross, okay, what I need to do if the if the yeah, and one more thing, one more condition I need to put. Okay, if it want to repeat until if the costume name equal to 0 and if the costume name equal to cross, I want to put one more condition going to if block. Okay, if then is the conditional statement, then I'm going to use AND operator. AND operator means it will work when both the condition is true. So what are the condition need to be true? I need to click on that. Okay, so click on means either you can use mouse down. Okay, I just need to place the mouse over there. Now to click it, so I'm using touching mouse pointer. When I place, I will show you. Okay, when I place my mouse pointer just above this like this, and when I click on X, okay, key X is pressed. If I click on X on my keyboard, so key X is pressed. What I need to do? Which costume I need to show? Yeah, I need to show the X costume, the cross costume, correct? I want to show that. So let's see. If I click on the X on my keyboard, it is showing the X, isn't it? Just like that, I'm duplicating the same if condition. Now I need to do for the O, right? Okay, let's see once again. Play button. When I place the mouse pointer above this as well as if I click on the X, then X costume is visible. Just like that, if I click on O, where is O? Yeah, here it is. If I click on O, what costume I need to show? The 0 costume I need to show. Okay, let's see. Clicking on the play button. Now I'm going to click on O in my keyboard. I'm clicking on O in my keyboard so you can see the O costume, isn't it? Yeah, this is the same thing I need to repeat for, this is the same code for all the things. All are hidden right now. See. You can see all the sprites. The same sprite which have three costume. Okay, the plain costume, X costume and O costume. So this I need to put the same code for all the sprite. So I'm just dragging and dropping it for both the code. Okay, yeah, but I need to change the position. It is in different position, so I'm updating the go to XY block. Alright, now again repeating the same process. just dragging it and dropping it for all the sprites. I'm not sure whether it is there or not. It is not there. So, oh, yeah, it is a knack, okay? Uh, to put these 4 5, it is there. 4 5, it is not here. So I'm dragging and dropping. Hey, come on here. When it is shaking, we need to put. Going to 4. Okay. 6, 7, for 8 and 9, it is not there. So dragging, guys, and dropping it for 8. Oh no, again. Let me try once again. Oh, it is not there, so I can do manually. When green flag is click, I just need to hide it. And similarly for 9 also, I'm putting when green flag click, I'm hiding it. Okay, so now I need to put the other one. So 2 till 2 we coded. Now let's code for the third sprite. Then I need to update the position. So putting the new go to XY block. Okay, attaching it over here. Same dragging and dropping it for 4. Updating the go to XY block. Alright, then again for 5. Updating go to XY block. Then again for 6. Updating. Oh, something happened. When I receive start, I want to show that. Oh, what happened? When green flag is click, I want to hide it, as well as when I receive start. When I receive start, I need to show that. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Now let's code for the 7. Oh, 7 is quite difficult to put because it is not in a good position. That's why. Okay, now I need to update go to XY block. 134 X is in. Okay, let me check for. Yeah, the position is correct. Now this is the task actually. Okay, so I'm dragging and dropping for 8. Yeah, now it worked. Go to XY block. Then I'm dragging and dropping for the 9 2. Okay. Yeah, now it is easily worked. Alright, so we are done with all the XO sprites. Okay. And we want to do coding for the X win as well as 0 win. I already put some code here. Okay. What is that? To broadcast the message. So if cross is the biggest, I mean, what I did is that if costume number cross, okay, if all the cross is there, what I need to do? I need to broadcast a message called the cross win. Okay, similarly if 0 is there, if all the 0 is there first, then I need to costume 5, costume 6. Okay, if all the 0 is there, then I need to broadcast the message called 0 wins. So I just broadcasted the message according to who is coming to first. If all the crows are present first, then I will broadcast a message called cross win. If all the 0 is there, then I will broadcast 0 wins. Okay. So now let's see. Let me check till now. I'm clicking on the play button. Okay. So now this is not there. Which is that 9, 8. Oh, one is in different position actually. I forgot to update the position. Okay, that's the thing. It should be here. 7, correct? Yeah. 7, I forgot to update the position, so I need to put go to XY block. So let me check once again, clicking on the play button. Okay, now I place the mouse here and I want to click on X. Okay, then clicking on O, then clicking on X again, then clicking on O, then clicking on X, then clicking on O. Now I didn't put any condition, okay, to show the background. So it will not work. O, that X win or O win will not work, okay. X again, I put O again. Actually, now the O wins. You can see diagonally O came first. But I didn't put that background. So let me put that backgrounds. Okay, for X, let me code for X win as well as O win. Let's start with X win. So it is quite simple. Initially, I need to hide this background. I mean, not the background, it is the sprite itself. I need to hide the X win sprite. Where is the hide block? Yeah, over here. Okay, let me put this X little bit down. This is too up, I think. Yeah, this is better. X value 2 and Y value. Let me update it again. Okay, this is good. Okay, now let me code it again. For the X win, what I need to do when green flag is clicked, I just hide it. And when it want to show that background, when I receive cross win, isn't it? Going to the event, when I receive cross win, I want to start a sound. Okay, I'm starting this sound, Trump. Then I want to this background want to come in the friend layer. So which block? Yeah, go to friend layer. Then I need to show. Quite simple, right? Similarly, the same thing. Okay, for the 0. When green flag is click, hide it, and when it will show when I receive 0 wins. And that's all, guys. We are done with this game. So let's see the output. Let's play. Okay, clicking on the full screen and let's click on the green flag. Okay, to play we have to click on the green flag. So this is the first, when we start to play, the first background will be this. Okay, the cover page. When I hit on the play button, you can see the background is changing to this with all the sprite. Okay, now all the sprites are there, which is show. We put show block to make it show. And if I click on this, and now I am going to click on X in my keyboard. Okay, X key. Now I am clicking on O in my keyboard. Okay, again again O here. Then here I need to put X, then again O. Now I'm going to put X, I'm going to put O, and I'm going to put X, and here I'm going to put O. Oh, this become tie, isn't it? So let's start again. Let me play X, X, and X. Oh, the background. Okay, then again we need to put the maximum number. Okay, O, X, O, O, X. Now, that means if X is more than in this board, okay, then X win. If O is more than in the board, O wins. Initially, it will become tie. Okay, let's try again, clicking on the green flag. Now, let's see who wins. X, O. I am putting X again. I am putting O again. O again. X, O, X. X wins again. This time we can go with O wins. Okay, so putting on the play button, O, I'm putting O again, X again, and O again, X again, O again, X again. Oh, sorry, by accident. Okay, let me try once again, clicking on the play button. O button. O. 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 O wins. Okay. So it will check how many times it is coming. Okay. That's all. So we are done with an awesome tic-tac-toe game. If you like the channel, you have to click on subscribe button as well as like button. And that's all guys. And that's all for today. So see you in the next video. Bye bye for today.